February is American Heart Month. It's a reminder for people across the country to check in on their heart health. And tomorrow, Chesapeake Regional Healthcare is making it easy. They're hosting a free heart health expo. Here to tell us all about it, we have Chesapeake Regional Health Education Coordinator Taylor Hart. Thank you for being here today.
Absolutely.
So let's talk about this event coming up. Again, free to the public. What can people expect?
Sure. The Heart Health Expo, it's all about education, prevention, and really empowering our community to take control of their heart health.
Absolutely.
So we'll have some free screenings. We'll have A1C, cholesterol, blood pressure screenings. We'll have hands-only CPR demonstrations so people can learn that life-saving skill. We'll also have our hospital departments there on site talking about different programs and treatment options that we have at the hospital. We'll also have some community resources there giving out valuable information about heart health and maintaining a healthy lifestyle.
All right, so lots that you can learn at this expo. Going back to hands-only CPR, because I know that's a big push from the, just health officials to the community, because you can really save a life just being a regular person nowadays. What do people need to know about kind of the latest tactics when it comes to hands-only CPR?
Sure. So hands-only CPR is really a simplified version of CPR backed by the American Heart Association, and we have it out there for bystanders. So we really want people to act in the event of a cardiac emergency and not be afraid. So it's 2 simple steps. We want to call 911 and then press hard and fast in the center of the chest. So there's no mouth-to-mouth breathing. We want to make it really easy and simple for people to remember so they're not afraid to act.
Yeah, that's a great reminder to get CPR certified. We had a story not too long ago here on 13 News Now where a cardiologist saved a man on the street who had just gotten into an accident, had a heart attack, with hands-only CPR. So you can check that out on 13newsnow.com. But it is really a life-saving skill. You can learn that at the expo. I understand there's also a speaker that will be at the expo too. Can you tell us more about that?
Sure. We're excited to welcome Dr. Frank Amico. He's our interventional cardiologist. He'll be talking about how to optimize heart health, cardiovascular disease prevention, and kind of the latest and greatest when it comes to heart care and different trends.
Another incredible doctor, Dr. Amico there at Chesapeake Regional. Anything that you want people to keep in mind before they come out tomorrow to really maximize their experience, things that they should bring with them in terms of questions or documents, anything like that?
Sure. So we want to encourage everyone to wear red as we close out the Heart Month. It's absolutely free and open to the public. So come with your questions. There'll be a Q&A section for our keynote speaker at 11. But be prepared to collect resources and different giveaways, and we'll have some heart healthy snacks available as well.
Very nice. Sounds like it's going to be a phenomenal event. And again, a great way to close out Heart Month by knowing your numbers, getting checked, getting CPR certified, learning all the things that you need to know going into the end of the month here. Taylor, thank you so much for that.
No problem. Thank you for having me.
Awesome.